I think critically, you need to evaluate all your on-premise costs today. So do you really need to acquire that much on-premise assets as you move to the cloud environment is an important consideration that you need to have. The right sizing and the optimization depending on the capacity and compute is important, because as you take a decision to move to the cloud, there is a very critical need for you to really clean up and do the right sizing in terms of the VMs and in terms of the capacity that you would need. It is a continuous cost optimization. You will have to continue to evaluate that how do you continue to save cost, how do you continue to move to a more optimized environment. Things like reserved instance or pay you go provide you all of those flexibilities as you really go along. Resource tagging is important, because as you move to the cloud, you really need to map your resources accordingly cost in a cloud environment versus what you were doing in an on-premise environment. The beauty of the cloud is it provides you multiple cloud native billing models, which provides all the flexibility of how do you want to pay, how do you want to really construct it. So there is no longer blocking of capital upfront, but you can have that more predictable billing models as you could have in the cloud environment. And of course, then on top of that is all the Azure hybrid benefits that we will get as a result. So what is very important is that when you evaluate or implement a business case, there are multiple things that we need to take into consideration. And some of these are the practical things that we have seen as we have worked with the clients all across the world.